Hey man, thanks for the interest in these Gucci's. I thought it'd be easier just to do a quick video. These are the shoes. I will include the shoe trees. These things are awesome. Give them a quick buff here. Haven't had them out in a while. Okay, so these, if we look at them, I'll try to do this kind of interestingly. This is from toe to heel is 12 inches. Like 12.25 if you go long to long. If we go across, width to widest, probably about 4.25. Put it in the middle, about 4.25. And then the waist, it's about 2 7/8. You call it that, 2 7/8. Yeah, so looking at a straight ruler, put the heel right on the end. It is literally right on the 12 inches. So literally 1 foot. I don't believe they are marked. No, there's no markings whatsoever on the inside. I guess they might have been worn off. So, but the shoes are in fantastic condition. I mean, there's no tread, these are blind stitched. So they would have lifted the leather all the way around, stitched down, and then put the leather back and glued it. You don't see any stitches coming through. So the leather, that very thin piece of leather, is still intact. They are marked 45M. 45M. That is the European measurement. Yeah, 45M. I don't know if you can see that or not, but 45M. Anyway, that will give you an idea. I'll include these Nordstrom shoe trees and the dust covers. So thank you very much. Appreciate it.